In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your fabric softener dispenser. If you see water in the dispenser after doing laundry, the dispenser is most likely clogged and dirty. It may also be contributing to a musty odor in the washing machine. The first thing I'm going to do is lift up on the dispenser drawer and pull it out. It's going to feel a little tight pulling the drawer out. As long as you pull up on the drawer before you start pulling out, you won't break it. I have well water running to my house, so this happens a lot more often than normal. To remove the dispenser cover, lift up on the front and pull it out. You can see all of the fabric softener caked up on the inside of the drawer. If you turn the drawer over, you can see all the black gunk underneath. This is most probably causing our odor problem. We've run the cleaning cycle several times and still have an odor. If I take the camera and look inside the drawer compartment, I can see there's a lot of gunk from the fabric softener, mold and mildew, and a buildup from the well water. Now I'm just going to take it to the sink and clean it out with a toothbrush or a bottle brush. For the soap dispenser, do the same thing. Lift up on the front, it kind of hinges out of the drawer. When I'm done, I'll put the parts back together on the drawer and move over to the washing machine. Now I'm going to take a bottle brush and thoroughly clean the inside of the drawer housing. Now for me, this is where a lot of the odor is coming from. There's mold mixed in with the fabric softener. I'm also going to clean the rim and any parts that I can see with the brush. To clean the rim, I move the drum over side to side. To kill the mold I can't reach with a brush, I'm going to use Tilex and let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'll take one last go over with the brush and then rinse. To rinse, I'm just going to use water in a spray bottle because I don't want to get water in a lot of places it shouldn't be. Once I'm finished rinsing, I'll put the tray back in. Now I'll wipe everything down a bit before I run a cleaning cycle. Here I'm adding a few gallons of water because I'm not sure how much water the machine's going to add without adding any clothes. I could have run a tub clean or sanitary clean. Having bought this machine used, I wasn't sure how all that worked, and I wanted to make sure that it ran a fabric softener cycle. So I ran a speed wash cycle and added a little bit of fabric softener just to make sure it worked. I also added about 2 cups of bleach just to kill off any mold or mildew that might be growing anywhere around the tub. After half an hour, I came back to check and opened up the tray, and there's no water left in the tray. The fabric softener's gone and there's no water in the tray. You can see before I cleaned it, there was a little bit of fabric softener and water in the tray. And this is what it looks like after cleaning. Now I'll do a load of laundry and see how it works. Everything's working just fine. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Until next time, thanks for watching.